That's my goal here. Right. Right now, I'm covering every type that is in the book. So the ratio thing. So I wanted to write type 10 ratios. Okay, and we have seen a lot of ratio type questions last year before, but this is a little new one, so I wanted to write this question. Okay, the question is the monthly incomes. Okay, take down the question, I'm writing it. The monthly incomes of Ravi and Shani are in the ratio 8:7, and their expenditures. If you have problem in understanding any word, please unmute and tell. And their expenditures are in the ratio 19:16. Okay, if each saves, if each one of them, if each saves rupees 5,000 per month, find the monthly income of each. Find both of their monthly incomes. This is the question. I'm going to put a screenshot in the chat also. Take it down right now. It's a different from. It's little different from what all questions we have seen so far, but the basic things we'll be using in this is going to be same. Type it done once you're done copying the question, please. I need your complete attention for this solution. Who dropped off? Dinesh. Okay, I'll add him. You continue copying, Manisha. Alright, guys, we're moving ahead to solve this now. Okay. Anyone would like to do it with me? Anyone would like to do it with me? My video is paused. Now?
Still paused.
It's not turning on for no, Manisha. I don't know what WhatsApp has done. New WhatsApp they've made. Okay, I'm calling you. Cut the call. Is it good now?
Yes.
Hello, Dinesh. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
You copied this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, guys. So anyone who would like to, who has some idea, or at least has an idea of like one or two steps you are able to think. Like what should the variable be? What, how can you use it? Any thoughts? MG, can you read out a question from ratios in class 8? I only read it out. Let's see. Let's just to remind you guys of how we were doing it. This one is a little more complicated than that. Let's read a simple question from class 8. Okay. I am also going to pull this up. Okay, Nishchay, hold on, okay? I'm just going to give you a simple question first, okay? We'll just think about this simple question, okay? So the question was that this is from class 8, okay? It's from class 8 exercise. Number of boys, this is a different question. Number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio of 7:5. Number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. What is the class strength? Okay. Anyone leave this question for now. Okay, leave this question. I want to focus on this and tell me how will you choose the variables. If this is the question, how will you choose the variables? Anyone? This should be easy, guys. This is something we've talked about very recently also in some I think in trigonometry, some chapter. In trigonometry we had done this. MG, tell me, or Riza, MG, Riza. Okay, go ahead, MG, go ahead. In this question, I wanted to see this question. Okay, number of boys in a class are and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. Number of boys is something more than number of girls. What is the class strength? MG. Hello. You speaking? You speaking, MG? It's not really audible. Very far it's coming from. Adjust your mic and see.
Sir, now can you hear, sir?
Now, yes, I can hear you.
Sir, the number of boys is equal to 7x, sir.
Very good. Number of boys equal to 7x and
number of girls is equal to 5y. 5x, sir.
5x only. Okay. Guys, see this. Even in Pythagoras theorem in trigonometry, we did this. No, some ratio we are taking. We know that sine theta is equal to 5/12. We know 5/13. We know this is 5 into something. 5 into k. This is 13 into k. Then only 5k by 13k. It will get cancelled. Sine theta will come 5/13. Correct. We saw this in trigonometry also. Here also, so basically what is it? Whenever there is a ratio, it is multiplied by a constant, multiplied by some number, correct? So why am I saying correct? A lot of times nowadays I don't know. Sorry guys. So here we have number of boys. If I have number of boys is 7 into something. Number of girls is 5 into something. Whatever that something is, that is getting cancelled. That may be 1 also. Okay, maybe number of boys is 7, number of girls is 7. Number of girls is 5. I don't know. Possible. Maybe number of boys is 14. Number of girls is 10. Maybe number of boys is 21. Number of girls is 15. I don't know. Okay, it can be anything. But this is the ratio. So basically boys, number of boys divided by number of girls is equal to 7 into something by 5 into something. So this logic of ratios I'm using, and I'm going to take this as number of boys and this as number of girls. Finally, my x will not be the answer. I have to find 7x. I have to find 5x. What is the equation you will form in this MG? In this particular case, what is the equation you will form? Second equation.
Sir,
You go ahead.
sir, 7x.
Correct. Continue. Number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. Let me write this first. Let's write this first. Number of boys. How will you write it in an equation? Is equal to
7x plus 8, sir.
Ayyo. This you don't use x now. Write in words only. Number of boys is Dikshit, can you complete this for MG?
Yes, sir. Number of boys is equal to number of girls plus 8.
Number of girls plus 8. MG, are you seeing this?
Yes, sir.
8 more than number of girls, correct? We good?
Yes, sir.
This is a very simple thing that will give us 7x is equal to 5x plus 8. Now you can solve, no? 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 4, okay? No, x is, wait, sorry. X is equal to 4, correct. So x is equal to 4. So what is the number of boys now? Number of boys is equal to 7 into 4, that's equal to 28. And number of girls is equal to 5 into 4, that's equal to 20. Okay, this is an 8th class level question. But we are going to use the same concept which we used here, 7x, 5x. Okay, this concept we are going to use same way. All right. So I want you to just write this much. I don't want to write this whole thing. Okay, I just want to write this much in a box. Okay, in a corner somewhere. Okay, ratio type questions. Okay. If number of boys, if the ratio, let's write like this, if the ratio of number of boys and number of girls is 7:5, then we can assume number of boys is equal to 7x and number of girls is equal to 5x. Okay, other things we don't need to write now, just write this much. Okay, now we are going to use this particular box. Who is this again? Manisha. Dinesh, add her to the call. I don't know if you will be able to add or not, but try adding. Just copy this dabba. Okay, don't copy that. No need to copy that full question. Just copy this dabba. Okay. This is from anyone has a doubt in this discussion? Hemanji, are you following here? Hemanji,
Yes, sir.
this is very good for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take down that. Okay. That is the assumption we make. That's what we know by ratio. Okay, that concept is what we're going to use here. I'll wait for 10 seconds more and then move ahead. 10, 8. Manisha is joining. Dinesh, no. WhatsApp has completely. Okay, Manisha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Did you copy that box? I put it.
Yes, sir. Copy.
Okay, that box has to be copied first. That's the most important thing. Now, anyone who's interested in tackling this problem along with me? Just exploring. Okay, Riza, go ahead. Riza, have you done this question in Akash? If you have done, I don't want you to speak.
Sir,
You have done this
no, sir,
type of
because
question?
when
Tell.
shall I tell, sir?
Tell. Because
Sir, because when we joined, it was already half completed, sir, the chapter.
ठीक है तो ये क्वेश्चन तुम पहली बार देख रही हो ना
Yes,
ओके गो अहेड
sir. First, we know they have given two things, sir. One is income and one is expenditure, no, sir.
they have not given income and expenditure they have given what of income and
The
what
ratio.
of expenditure
The ratio
correct
between.
perfect they have given ratio of monthly income and ratio of monthly expenditure perfect Riza
Yes. Sir, now we'll decide the variable, sir. So we can say that the monthly income of Ravi will be 8x and monthly income of Shani will be 7x, sir.
okay shall I make a table
Yes, sir.
okay Ravi and Shani and we are going to take monthly income and monthly expenditure okay these two things so Riza is see guys I want you to notice very carefully Riza is saying leave monthly expenditure she is saying only monthly based on monthly income okay Nishchay I want to you had given one thing that we can take monthly income of Ravi as X and Shani as Y if we do that X and Y then a lot of confusion will happen then you will go to write X by Y is equal to 8 by 7 it's a little longer process there Nikshay okay finally you will get answer there also but then what you will take expenditure you have no relation here it will become A and B different variable it will become so you'll have 4 variables but you'll only have 2 equations Nikshay are you following me
Yes, sir.
yeah you'll end up having 4 variables but 2 equations can we solve that Nikshay
No, sir.
yeah there will be a lot of other steps involved so we are going to go with our ratio ka understanding which we know okay so ratio, Riza continue please. We know monthly incomes are in the ratios 8:7. So what will I write here? What will I write here?
Sir, 8x and 7x, sir. 8x and
8x and 7x. Okay. Anyone has a problem with this? Bindu, you're following this?
Yes, sir.
Abhi, are you following this? Mansa, are we good here? Tulsi, are we good here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, I could have no need to make table also. Okay, you can go and write let monthly income of Ravi be 8x. Let monthly income of Shani be 7x. All that you can write, but it is just quicker to write like this, and it is smarter to write like that. So I will write like this. Okay. If you feel no, you want to write like that, I have no problem. However, you're comfortable, do that. Okay. I feel this as quicker. That's why I'm doing this. Okay. Riza, continue. Next information. What do we know?
Sir, now we know monthly expenditures, no, sir.
Expenditures are in the ratio
19:16, sir.
okay so we have monthly expenditure is in the ratio 9 so what will I write in here
Sir,
what will I write here what will I write
19y and 16y, sir.
very important guys here 19y and 16y okay Riza is taking 19y and 16y Riza can you clarify why you are doing this
Sir, because like both are two different ratios, no, sir. And we saw when there is only one ratio, we took a different variable and another ratio. No.
Perfect Riza beautiful I'm sure you'll be able to solve this just for this clarification I'm giving you 10 points okay guys I want you to notice what Riza is doing see guys income ratios let's take income I will write in red okay income ratios is what? It is 8 by 7. So it's basically 8 into some dabba by 7 into some dabba that is getting cancelled. Okay. But expenditure ratio is also some 19 into some dabba by 16 into some dabba, but these 4 dabbas are not the same. This dabba is different from this dabba. So basically this is 19 into flour by 16 into flour. Okay, these are two. This flour part is common in this numerator, this denominator, but it has no connection with the income ratio. There is no connection there. This is an important thing we'll have to keep in mind. Does this become clear for Bindu? Bindu, are you clear with this? Dikshit, are you clear? They are two separate ratios, okay? Which means their own constant term, that thing which got cancelled here and that thing which got cancelled here are two different things. That's why I'm taking y here. That's why Riza is taking y here and she's taking x here. Everyone good? You want, you can write this in the corner. You want, you can write this in the corner. Dabba and flour. Do this actually. If there was any confusion in your thought, when Riza told y, if you had anything come to your mind, please write this. Please write this in the corner. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Quick. 30 seconds. Do it in the box. It's fine. Okay. You don't have to do it in the exam, but for your understanding, do it. Dikshit, you have a doubt?
Sir, I have something to say.
Go ahead.
Sir, I can say that savings of Ravi is equal to.
No, wait. Riza is doing that. Riza is in the middle of that. Yeah. We are going there. To form the equation, it will come after this. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
All right. Give me a thumbs up if you're done writing it down. Done writing this dabba. Give me a thumbs up if you're done. MG, you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is an important understanding we should have, that here there is separate dabba, here there is flour. Okay. Whatever that number is, that is different in both of them. This can be 8 into 5, 7 into 5. This can be 19 into 1, 16 into 1. Or it can be 19 into 2, 16 into 2. It can be anything. But the numbers are different basically. Okay. Maybe same also. We don't know. Okay. But most likely it is not same. But we don't know that. Okay. That's why X and Y. All right. Here. Continue, Riza. How do we form the equation now? One more information you know which will help us form the equation. Go ahead.
Sir, like after the savings, no, sir. So from there we can form an equation, sir. Like expenditure is something which we use, no, sir. So from the income, what is there? We are subtracting the expenditure to and saving 5,000, no, sir. So
correct.
From Ravi's income, sir, we'll write 8x minus 19y is equal to 5,000, sir, and same with Shani, sir.
So Ravi's savings is equal to 5,000.
Yes.
What will you write in this place? Ravi's savings ki jagah?
Sir, 8x minus 19y, sir.
8x minus 19y is equal to 5,000. Okay, this is one equation. Now see, it is very interesting. Okay, in one line only they have given two pieces of information. They have given Ravi's saving also, they have given Shani's saving also. So what will be the next statement? Each saves rupees 5,000. Continue, Riza.
Sir, then we'll write Shani's savings, sir. That is also 5,000, sir.
Shani's savings is also 5,000, but this is a separate equation. How is Shani's saving we are calculating?
7x minus 16y.
Shani's income minus Shani's expenditure. Okay. Ravi's how did we calculate? Ravi's income minus Ravi's expenditure. So Shani's savings will be 7x minus 16y is equal to 5,000. Two different equations we have got now if you see carefully. Okay. This is the second equation. So now you can solve 1 and 2. You will get x and y, but you should not stop there. What should you do? Wait, Riza, you will not tell this. What should you do? You will get x and y. You should not stop there. What should you do? G, I want you to tell.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you did this, okay? You went on to do, you got something as x equal to, something as y equal to. Will you stop your answer there?
No, sir.
What should you do? What should you do? Read the question
Sir,
and tell me, G.
we'll substitute it with 8x, sir.
Okay.
7x.
Very good. 8x we will do. We will substitute. We don't have to care about y only. We'll substitute 8x. We'll substitute 7x. We will get both of their monthly incomes. Got it? Good. G. Very good answer. And Riza, for doing this with me, I'm going to give you 10 more points. And G, I'm going to give you 5 for clarifying this. Okay. These are the two, this is the ratios type one. So in the same equation, we have two different ratios. Because two different ratios are there, we are getting two different, we are using two different variables. And from there, one more extra information is there that I have used to form the equations. Okay. Basically, anyone has a doubt? So guys, anyone has a doubt what savings means? Savings basically means income minus expenditure. Okay. If you have any confusion, please write this. Actually, everyone write this. Income minus expenditure. This you write and keep in one box. You can write below this only. Okay. All this knowledge is just